Hey guys, quick video for people who are having trouble downloading Discord on Windows 11. It's actually quite simple and quick to install. All you need is a way to extract files from a compressed state. I personally use File Explorer, but you can use any other extracting software, like 7-Zip. Okay, so to start, all you need to do is to click the Google Drive link in the description below. Okay, now this will pop up. Download the file. It will say it can't scan for viruses because it's too large. Download anyway. Open it. Okay, so now that's opened, just extract the file by pressing on the little extract button and then pressing next. Okay, so now you have another file which is not compressed. Just open the folder. Now you'll see a Discord icon. That is not the application. Press on this folder, the app folder, and it will take you over here. Once again, this is not Discord. This is Discord. As you can see, it's an application. So just click on it. Once you've clicked the Discord application, it will open Discord and redirect you to the Discord website where you have to sign in if you haven't already. As you can see, I've already signed in and I have all my Discord people. I hope you guys like this quick tutorial. Please subscribe if this helped you out. Ciao ciao. Okay, so as you can see, I just uploaded a video which is really strange because I never upload things. I just decided to, start uploading again because the popularity on my tutorial videos is pretty high, and I want some of that money. But not really. I just want to, give some videos to you guys. And I was thinking of making some more shortcut tutorials as an anniversary of the second shortcut tutorial and the first. So in January 2022, I will be making some more shortcut tutorials, and I will also be making a Nintendo 3DS review because I decided to get me one. But yeah, if you need any more information, just check my description of my about page. Yep, that's it. How could I almost forget? Remember to like and subscribe. I mean, you don't really have to like, but subscribe because it lets you get notified and it also helps me grow. Goodbye.